What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to look at the Metaverse Pro project. The correct URL to get here is metaverse.pro, and they build themselves as the reserve currency for the metaverse and GameFi. So that's how they differentiate themselves from other Olympus DAO forks. Up at the top, you have DAO information, stake, bond, and then the docs. I encourage everybody, please read the docs before you ever ape into a project like this, and don't just get into a project without doing your own research. And just to put this out there, this is not financial advice. Nothing in this video should be construed as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and consult your own tax provider as well as a licensed accountant about any financial decisions that you make when it comes to investing. This is not investing advice. This is just me making the video purely for entertainment purposes and trying to inform about the project. But do your own research for sure, and definitely make good judgments for yourself when it comes to your finances. So if we take a look at the project on the inside, here's the APY. It's really high, just like most of these projects will have, 400%. I really like the fact that there's $87 million already of total value deposited. It means like a lot of people are really interested in this project. If we kind of quickly pop over to their Twitter page, you can see that they're on the Binance Smart Chain. Here's their amount of followers, 9,000. Looks pretty good. It also says that they were mentioned on Yahoo News. That's pretty good. It gives the project a lot of credence. But if we go back and take a look at the dashboard, they do have a wrapped option, which I love a lot because that means that you're avoiding taxable events on rebases. And this is very important for a token like Metaverse Pro because apparently you get rebases 24 times, and that's 24 taxable events. If you wrapped your meta, then you don't necessarily have to pay taxes on all those rebases, but that could vary country to country. So just make sure that you consult a CPA or consult an attorney and see if that's the case where you're located. But I love the fact that you can wrap the token. It looks like this lend option is actually grayed out. So that's probably a feature that's coming soon, and I'm really curious about that. And that looks like something that's going to be cool. They have the same dashboard as Olympus DAO, where you can see a lot of the metrics of the platform itself. It looks like there's 86% meta staked, and the runway is what I really like a lot too. They've always had this really high runway. Even when it dipped to about a year, just a little bit under a year. And then now it's up to about 841. So that's really good. Got healthy bond discounts. Everything is positive right here, and they're above even 5%, which is really good. I have a calculator that shows you the best time to bond or stake, and it will tell you based on numbers that you just plug in. Really simple, and I'll definitely go more into depth with that on a different video. And it really shows you which is the better bang for your buck and which is the smarter strategy to use at that time. They have information here about their Discord, so go ahead and dive into their Discord and check out some couple of things if you're so inclined. Here's their Medium. I always encourage people to read their Medium as well because it kind of just gives you a big updates about the project and different nitty-gritty things that the team might want you to know. And here they have different things about 3-3 and which is staking for across most Olympus forks. And then they talk here about the difference between staked meta and wrapped stake meta. So if you're ready to go ahead and purchase meta, here's how you would actually do it. You just click buy meta. It will take you over to Pancake Swap. My wallet's already connected, but they'll have an option right here where you can connect your wallet right here at the top right. And that's where you will connect your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet or whatever wallet that you'll be using. Same thing with here on Meta. I'm already connected, but right here at the top, you would have the option to connect your wallet. And if you connect it, they'll give you the option between Wallet Connect and MetaMask. I already have my MetaMask connected, so I'll go ahead and do that. And then now you have the option to go ahead and if I click buy, which I actually already did, so click buy Meta, and then here's the option for Meta. It's already connected right here. And let's say that I wanted to use, I believe I have BUSD. I would just click BUSD or BNB or USDC on, or even wrap BNB on the Binance Smart Chain, which has really great gas fees. And then I would just swap, hit max or hit the amount that I want right here. And then it would swap it for Meta and actually provide that to me. I'm going to bond BUSD. So you have to usually approve it. So let's go back. So let's say I have wrap BNB. You'd have to hit this approve because it's the first time bonding, but this won't be the first time for me. So I'm going to, because I've already approved it. So I have $204 worth of BUSD. So I'm just going to hit max. I click on bond, and it lets me know the amount of meta that I'll get, and I'll get it for this price versus the market price. So it's a slight discount. Go ahead and click bond. We're going to hit approve. Like I said, the gas fees aren't really that high. And then this is pending. Then it'll just take about a minute, and then we will be good to go. Now that we've bonded it, it will tell us that these are the pending rewards, and then here are the claimable rewards. It's 5 days, 6 minutes till it's fully vested, and here's the ROI. And you can always hit claim and auto stake as time goes on. That way that you can automatically stake to then get these rebases. And of course, the ROI rate right now is about 12%. So that's a really, really healthy ROI rate. So thank you guys so much for watching the video today. Also, if the meta is not showing in your MetaMask when you buy it from PancakeSwap, if you come up here, you have the option to actually wrap your stake meta and then add the token to wallet. You just click this meta, stake meta, wrap stake meta, and it will add these tokens to your MetaMask wallet so that you can see the balances. If you guys found value in this video today, please like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit the bell notification. That way that you can get daily updates when I do drop these videos. And I'll be talking about all things DeFi, crypto, taking the things back to the basics, going through about wallets and exchanges, giving you reviews on different hardware wallets, talking about different protocols like Metaverse Pro, just to help you really maximize the potential earnings that you can get in crypto, and always trying to give the best information that I possibly can. Thank you guys.